We have several objects here. Move the mouse on all of them and check it out in graphic window. OK. Now we want to convert it to block. In ribbon bar, block, run the create and then in block dialog box. First, choose a name for your block. OK, and then click on select object icon and then in graphic window. Select your desired objects, and press enter to apply. Now back to the dialog box and here, in behavior, you can active the scale uniformly, and allow exploding checkboxes, and in setting, change the unit. OK. Complete the parameters and OK the dialog box, and now in graphic window, you can see this block. Move the mouse on it and check its specifications. Now you can move, rotate, copy and duplicate it. So easy. To edit the shape of block, in ribbon, click edit and in the list, select your block name and OK. It's so good. Now in block editor environment you can edit the shape of your block and then close it, do it and finish.